What if I told you the secret to a stronger, healthier body might already be in your kitchen? Not in a fancy pill, but in a vegetable that looks like a tiny tree. Meet the cruciferous family, the superheroes of the vegetable world. They're not just green, they're powerful. From broccoli and cauliflower to kale, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts, these humble veggies are packed with compounds that detox your body, fight inflammation, and even help prevent cancer. They contain glucosinolates, natural plant chemicals that once digested help eliminate toxins and support liver function. Your body's natural detox system, supercharged. But that's not all. These veggies are rich in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. That means stronger immunity, better digestion, healthier bones, and improved heart health. And if you're watching your weight, they're low in calories and super filling. A perfect combo for feeling light and energized. From the dinner plate to the lunchbox, cruciferous veggies are easy to cook, easy to love, and even easier to benefit from. So, next time you're at the store, reach for the crunch, the color, the cruciferous crew. Your body will thank you, one bite at a time, because sometimes the best medicine is a vegetable.
Kindly like, share and subscribe to this channel for more healthy diets tips.